paano ba naman? Sa bungad pa lang makakakita.
Good evening, Direct. As promised, ito yung video na just for you. I don't kakayaman, pero this is my recommendation because gabi-gabi pinapanood ko kayo ng tropa nyo, ng Team Chokwa, like that. Yeah, so ito yung aking SJC na helmet. As you can see, sabi mo, member dapat ng Trilcom. And this is, ito yung recommended ko sa iyo na ilaw. So, when not, you want to use it, just take it, then pull. Point. Remember hindi ko pinarasa yan. Hindi ko pinarasa. Ganon siya katibay. Pag pinarasa mo, ganyan siya kabigat. Ganyan katibay yung velcro. So again, nothing use, pull, and then stop, then point, then on. Look, yan ang kanyang ano. Yan. If you will adjust here, okay, like so. Yan, ito 100 meters to, definitely. So one click, full power, medium, flash, then off, full power. Then meron siyang isang button dito that is for, so when you're riding, may ka na kasalubong, wave, 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 up, ganyan. Again, if not in use, turn up, okay, then and then kung gusto mo naman nagkakamping ka na headset, yung sa headband niya, may kasama siyang headband can find it somewhere there. And then, so yun lang, that's my suggestion. So maybe next year sana makasama ako sa inyo. Okay, bye for now.
Ang grupo natin na kinabibilangan ng mga subscribers at followers natin na mayroong Freedcon intercoms. Kaya kung gusto mo rin makasali,
This is pitch black. We're in a pitch black. At ba ako nandito lang. Sorry, direct. English na naman ako. Nandito ako sa likod ng bahay namin. So this is one click. That is at least 100 meters. Second click, low, flash. Again, first click, then turn, twist. So everywhere you look, kita mo, di ba? And then if you want to kung gusto mo malayo spot, twist mo lang uli. Again, okay, meron pa ito nga pala isa. Pag nag-wave kasi taas, click natin, hanap na uli. Yan, wave, again, wave, okay, wave, kunyari may kasalubong ka, wala na kasalubong, whoop, ayun, pahina, okay.